everybody, it's your girl NaturallyTash, and I am so excited to announce that I have officially launched my crown paint colors on my website at rockmynatural.com/shop. I'm so humbled by all the orders and all the love I have received so far. It's kind of overwhelming in a way, but I'm enjoying every single minute of it. I released my first two colors, Supreme Purple and Regal Orange. These are just the first two colors I'm dropping. Don't be discouraged if you don't see the color that you want to try yet, because I'm making colors on a daily. And they're just going to come. I'm just going to sporadically drop them. So check for the Instagram page, crownpaint_colors. Or you can find out more information about crown paint on my website at rockmynatural.com. Just click on the crown paint tab. Right now, with my hair being blue, I'm going to show you what the Supreme Purple and the Regal Orange look like in my blue hair. I'm going to do one half with the purple and one half with the orange, just to give you guys an idea on what these colors will look like on blue hair if your hair happens to be blue. However, these colors work on any color hair, any texture or type. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your hair type, your hair texture at all. These will work. These are temporary hair products. They go on like any of my old videos where I was hair shadowing using other people's products, which was most likely eyeshadow in my hair. But I kind of elevated from that. But it's a temporary hair product, so you have to expect some type of color transfer. However, it is nothing like those temporary color sprays, mousses, gels, all of them. But you can find that out for yourself. So the first color I think I'm going to start with is the Supreme Purple on this side, and then I will do the Regal Orange on this side. So let's get started. So here it is, all done, and I have the Supreme Purple on top of the blue, and I have the Regal Orange on top of the blue. And this just shows you that these colors will work on top of any color, whether your hair is dark or light. As you saw when I put the color in, sometimes if you put too much of the color on one lock of hair, it may weigh it down. So you have to pull that piece of hair apart And then at the end, hit it with a blow dryer either on low cool or the lowest setting on your blow dryer just to set the color. This is just to make sure that the color is all dry throughout your hair. And you'll have no residue falling from it. Your hair is still soft and it's not crunchy. I want to say thank you to everybody who has placed an order already. I got those orders right out to you, so you should get them soon. Please tag Crown Paint Colors and even me, NaturallyTash, in your pictures. I can't wait to see them. I'm so excited. Thank you to everybody for the love. If you have any questions concerning Crown Paint, you can either leave them on irockmynatural.com under the Crown Paint tab or crownpaintcolors@gmail.com. And I'll get back to you with the answers as soon as possible. And until then, I'll see you in my next video. Happy coloring!